No.
If you guys confused, like, what the hell is going on there? Okay, I'll explain. I was checking in my writing board, and, like, after, like, in the last night, I drew a human version of my AU of Glitchcore, or Glitchcore, Scenecore, Sniffles. And then after when I check it, someone just add some, like, not safe for work stuffs on it, like, and I was like, what the hell is that? I was just disgusted. Like, I was just, like, quickly, like, get off the page of it, and I was just like, oh my god, why? I wish I shouldn't add, like, saying, like, no, it's not safe for work stuffs in there. But yet again, that random person who's being the asshole is like, this sign can't stop me because I can't read. Just, please, just, if you see this drawing, if please, somebody, just, I have no words. Please, whoever do that, who tried to, like, never trying to, like, sexualize my AU, man, you're dead.